and this is our first live celebration of GHB's first birthday ever, and I'm chatting with Mr. Arjun Padya, who is the owner of this fabulous meat takeaway brand called Spookies. It's been in the heart of Goregaon for more than 3 years?
2 years.
2 years, and they serve some awesome meals in boxes. They boast to have the best pav bhaji in town, which you must try. So Spookies के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
First of all, hello everyone, and I congratulate Anushri for completing 1 year with GHP, and it's been great platform that is there. So it's nice, and I'm very excited that we have this jar as well, which is there for the lucky draws.
Yes.
Anyways, coming to Spookies, well, Spookies, whatever people call it, we love it as such. It's a multi-cuisine veg outlet. It is based out of Goregaon East, and we serve North Indian, Chinese, and fast food dishes across the board within Goregaon and Malad. And yes, as she said, our USP lies across the meal boxes that we serve. A lot of bachelors consume it. A lot of family people as well consume the same. So that's how it is.
Yes, and you have a couple of more things coming up for Goregaon, more services that you're planning. Tell us more about it.
Yes, so we have the meal boxes that were there that have been selling across the corporate in terms of their office get-togethers, their training sessions and everything. Now we're coming up with a kilo concept in food where all the food items shall be served across in cases. So any get-togethers, any kitty parties that people have, they can order in a cost-effective manner via the kilo concept. So we are putting across a different brand altogether for that, and you guys will be updated with it. It is called as Celebrations by Kilo.
Wow.
So all your celebrations can be done in a very cost-effective way with a very, very tasty meal.
That's awesome. And that's also vegetarian options
Completely
across
vegetarian.
cuisines.
Yes.
And anything more, Arjun, that you have up your sleeve?
Not much.
Sorry to interrupt you, but Spookies has got one of the best chocolate walnut fudges in the market. I have tried it, and it's as good as the stuff that you get when you're shopping at Lonavala.
Correct.
Yes, and you really must order it at the end of your meal box or your pizza or your awesome sandwich that you're ordering from Spookies.
Right. And we plan to retail that out across various retail stores. So that is also coming up, but further details will come soon about the same. We're getting things prepared for the same. That will be there.
Awesome. So you're going to hear about it very soon on www.goregaonhighwaypulse.com. For sure, we're going to come up to you, tell you how it is, and give you a lot of offers, give you a lot of updates from Spookies. Without wasting any more time, we've spoken about celebrations by the kilo, we've spoken about GHP celebrations, and this is what I mean. 1,213 chips in this with every GHP member's name. And Arjun is going to pick out 2 names for winners who get vouchers from Spookies. So your meal for tonight is ready. Okay, there you go. The first winner of GHP's first birthday celebrations is Aparna De Sarkar Talukdar. Congratulations, Aparna. Your voucher is coming to you very soon. One more. Neelam Kankaria. I hope I pronounced your names correctly. I think I have. Thank you very much for being a GHP member. Congratulations. Thank you, Arjun, for such lovely prizes. Stay tuned for more winners. I'm going to contact you personally. So please pick up my call, answer my Facebook messages. And don't forget to say thank you to Arjun and thank you to GHP for this wonderful, wonderful prize.
Should they know what prize they want right now? Yeah. So both these winners are getting 500 rupees discount vouchers or a 500 rupees complimentary meal, as you can say so. Now these meal vouchers can be completely availed on our website as well. We have a complete order online platform on the website www.spookies.com. So these winners will get their specific coupon codes via which they can avail a complete 500 rupee discount on their order whenever they do so in the next 15 days. So that is there are no other terms, I would say. It's the flat 500 rupees discount that we are offering to them.
Superb. Arjun, would you recommend something for the rainy day? What would you choose if you had 500 rupees vouchers for stuff?
Well, we have certain specific dishes of the week that are going on. One is a paneer kurkure sabzi, which has a different form of paneer blended across. It has a crispy nature and a very chatpata taste. So that is one particular sabzi. A coriander roti is there to have consume it along with it. And there is a paneer sesame dry, a fusion of a Chinese dish with Szechuan sauce, with sesame seeds and paneer along with it.
Super mouth-watering stuff. Congratulations, Aparna. Congratulations, Neelam. If you don't want to miss out, here your names are, and these are the two winners for our prizes today.
And I would really want to thank Anushi as well for first of all giving us GSP as a platform. It has been a great platform to for entrepreneurs to market their products, to market their skills, for housewives as well, for all the people across the board. It is making people closer. It is making people understand what other facilities are there in and around Goregaon. So it's a very great idea and a very good page that I would say.
Thank you guys. See you. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.